Okay, guys. Yes. Yeah. Uh, I'm in my Z3. Yes, 98, 2.8 liter engine. So I wanted to go out now. Although I've been thinking about this for a while. Yes, I just saw something in my store. Yes, it's owned by my daughter. So I saw that thing and I straight away come to my mind on something in my car that I'm feeling like is too big for me to hold. Yes. So um, in this video, I'm going to be constructing something. Yes. I don't know if it is going to work or not, but let's try it. If it work, I will love it. Yes. So uh, without wasting much of your time, this is it. Shifter. Yes. As you can see, the way I'm holding it, I'm driving. This is a stock knob. The way I used to hold it when I'm driving, I used to feel like it's too big for me to hold. I don't know, and it's too like up for me. So as I one day I'm inside the store and I saw this. Yes, this is golf. Ball golf. Yes. So this is original one. Yes, I forgot where I got it from then, where I bought it for my daughter. So as I found this in my room, you can see how small it is in my store. Sorry, it came to my mind that I can put this on my knuckle, on my shift. Yes. So I've been thinking about it whenever I'm coming to take this car out. I used to feel like, okay, this thing is too big. One day I'll be. So finally today I want to go out. I decided that I want to do it now. So I'm going to be fabricating this to fit on this knuckle. So this is the stock one. If you want to remove it, it's just to hold and pull up. I don't know if I'll be able to. Yeah, that is it. You pull it. Yes, that is exactly how I'm going to do it. Just drill it and pull it. You can see it. So I believe it can go halfway on it. You can see removing this, that it does make the shift to go down, look real spot, and putting this will make it look like crazy spot. So let's get into it. Yes, this is what I get set up. Yes, this is another Z3. You can see I have my own here. So let's, this is the setup that I do. Yeah, I'm going to this is a cup saw. So I tied it to this wood. So I'm going to place it down now. Yes, I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to drill it. So I put size 6 bit. Let's see how, if I can be able to hold it. I know I'm supposed to use device, but yes. I should know how long I need it to go inside. Yes, yes, I'll drill it more. This is how far I need it to go. So more. So I'll change my bit now. Changing my bit. I don't want to drill it at once. Yes, I have step-by-step bit that I'm going to use, because I don't know what is going to happen if I drill it at once. So this is the next one I'm going to use. Drill it more. And now, okay, I can also drill it more. So I'm going to use this. I think this is the second to the last before I'll use the biggest one, the size of. Ooh. I don't know. So I'm going to remove this. Then put the last one. Like so. Wanted to rough it, so still have to drill it more. I believe it's okay like this. So let's test fix it. Let's see how it's going to fit. Okay, so I don't want to drill it more than this. Yes, I know it will fit like this because I know the bit that I use is the same as this. It's a little bit, you can see this flat edge. That's the size of the bit that I use. This flat edge, that's the size of the bit that I use. So right now the dip is okay, so I'm going to force it inside like so. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you like it. It's a simple trick. I love it. You can see my hand can hold it. Yes, yeah. If I want, I can put a glue inside to glue glue it up, but I think I don't need that because it's pretty tight, you can see. So I love it the way it is. So I'm just going to dress this side up, dress it, and put it again, and I see. I hope you guys like it. Please, if you like this video, please, this is just my idea that it come to my mind, and I decided to do it. And as you can see, it work pretty well. I love it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Yes. So I will see you on the next one.